prayer for the morning. Blessed Father, I thank you for this beautiful morning. I thank you that you've allowed me to awaken to see it. I thank you that my mind is alert enough to appreciate the gift that you have given me to continue my life today. Grant me peace of mind and clarity of thought as I enter the world today. Father, I pray for your grace and merciful blessings on all my family members and friends. I pray that you will put a hedge of protection around each of them today. I pray that you will bless me today as I work and play. Cause me to be a blessing to each person I encounter today. And if it is your will, Father, make my way smooth today. Draw me closer to you, Lord, and bring me home safely so that I may return to your loving arms as I look forward to tomorrow. These things I ask in Jesus' precious name. Amen.